Hello, I'm Jon.
Hello, my name is Bogdan.
We are from eematico and we are going to show you today how to assemble your Rubo car. First of all, a few warnings. This is not a toy for children below 5 years of age. You should assemble it together with your child and you should not leave any pieces or the glue that's inside unsupervised. It has some sharp edges, so mind them, and also moving parts, so mind that also. Finally, don't let your child put any pieces in their mouth. This is not healthy. If you will get bored of your toy, please consider donating it before throwing it out. And now, let's see what's in the box.
Okay.
We have here a leaflet with warnings and other info about the toy.
3 rubber bands,
Yes.
some glue,
A brush that you will use for the glue.
sandpaper,
Then you have the first plate where you have the wheel axles
and the wheels.
and the wheels. You just push and you'll get out. You will see that there is a lot of writing telling you what each part is, and then some other useful info about the toy.
Okay, so you have the chassis here,
This is the roof,
the roof,
and then the lower part of the chassis.
okay.
This is the back cross section, and then the front cross piece of the chassis,
We have a small hole here,
which is for the hook. And you can differentiate them by the fact that the rear cross chassis it has a logo on it. Then you have the winding gear and the driver of the car. That's about it. And then you have the plate where you have the sides of the car and the body. The left one and the right. Okay. That's what the sandpaper is for if you have any leftovers. Finally, you will see here on the plate where you had the parts of the body that you have a schematic for the assembly of the rear and the front axle that you might use in order to build a car. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so what's the first step?
we can start by gluing the axle to one of the wheels. Okay, so we open the glue. Then we can have a small or a hammer at hand that can help us with this tape.
Can I do the next
Yeah.
one? We are doing this first, so we have enough time for the glue to set in.
That's and now we can do the chassis on one side of the car and the back and the front pieces. Okay. And the lower chassis has to be glued with this rectangular hole towards the back of the car.
Okay. So we should put the glue here in between, not on the top of the dent. Okay.
And now we can glue the other side of the car. That's very good. We can leave it for 2 minutes to dry out.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay. We have to put the wheels now. So you can put the first wheel and the second wheel we put it half.
Okay, and then we put the winding gear. Now, the important thing is to pay attention that the arrows move towards the back of the car. So, okay, gently like this.
Okay. Now comes the hammering again.
Yeah, so put some glue in there.
Okay.
Yeah. So straight. Do we have to glue the winding gear to the
Yes,
axle?
of course.
Okay.
I started with the driver now. I'll glue the driver as well. And then okay, here we need to glue the winding gear right in the middle of the axle.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. You have to let it dry for 2 minutes again. Meanwhile, we can put the hook here.
You just glue it in.
Should be okay, very good.
Yeah, before putting the rubber, you should make sure that it's really, really dry. Okay, so we're about ready.
Okay, now we take one of the rubber bands. We make it as a knot here. We pass it underneath the upper chassis. Will it work?
Whoops.
Doesn't work.
And that's because there is no friction. So for this, we will need tires for the car, which we will make out of the rubber bands. You will have to cut the rubber bands and then stick them to the wheels.
You will need a lot of patience.
Can I help you?
Yep.
It's here. You have to cut it. Okay, so for this you will have to wait at least 10 minutes for the glue to set in.
Okay.
Okay, so 10 minutes later at least, you can now test your car
Again.
again.
Okay.
Yeah, you wind it. And what do you see? It works because it has tires.
Yep.
Yeah, so good. Now, before we go, if you like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, or visit our webpage. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.